everyone, welcome to the OklaRoots YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to be doing an unboxing. This is not a tutorial actually, it's an unboxing video. Ricoma was super kind and sent me one of their 15-inch by 15-inch heat presses. I have never used a heat press in my life. I have no idea what to do with this, but I am excited to get it out of the box and try it out on a couple different projects. In today's unboxing video, I'm going to have a first on my channel. I'm having my first guest. That's right. On today's unboxing tutorial, I'm bringing in the help of my mom. This is Bobby OklaRoots. She's my mom. She's the one who works so hard behind the scenes, helping out with so many things. She's going to help me figure out how to unbox this video today. Say hi, Mom.
Hello.
Hi. You got to be louder. The mic can't hear you.
Hello.
There we go. Yay. Okay, so first of all, this is the box. Okay. You can see.
I'll just watch.
Hello. So this is our box. All right, we got the step ladder. We got the box. Oh dear. Okay, now we're gonna open the box. Here we go. We got a power cord. It's like a big box for a power cord. Oh, we also got the flat heat press printing machine thing. It's a book. It's a book thing. Oh my gosh. Go rip the box open.
Why don't we put it on the floor?
Because then I have to put it back on the table. All right, we had to take it onto the floor because we couldn't get the box open on the table. So now this is what it looks like in the box. It's all nice and tucked in there, snug as a bug in a rug. Now we're gonna try to get it up and out of the table. I don't know. Here we go. We did it. Did it. Okay, so my mom and I both were able to lift it up out of the box and put it on the table. There's actually not a whole lot to it. It's a really big box. But I would say that you would probably need at least 2 people to help lift it and move it around and stuff. But this is it. All right.
Do we have it the right side up? No?
No, we have it the right side up. So then you just open it. Maybe you have to unscrew this?
Would be probably good to read the instructions.
Instructions are for wimps.
You're gonna, no, because there's another thing here.
All right, that's not it.
You better read the instructions first.
All right, how do you open this thing up? So here it is. It's a 15-inch by 15-inch heat press. Also, thank you so much, Ricoma, for sending us this to play with. We really appreciate it. Thank you. How do you just open it up? Maybe we need to plug it in. I got bored reading it. Let's see if we can plug it in. Oh my gosh. I think I might have pulled something. Now, how do you turn it on? How do you turn it on? Nope. That's
right here.
Okay. Yay! It got turned on!
How do you open it?
I don't know. Current temp. Ooh, it's getting hotter. 20 degrees. Okay, so on here on the screen, it has a temperature of what the current temperature is and also what the target temperature is. So you can see as it heats up. But how do you open it? Okay, hold on. No, we're going to figure this out.
Packaging bolt. Uh-oh.
Where's that?
Packaging bolt. Did they say we're supposed to take it out?
I don't know.
Remove the packaging bolt. The package.
We did it! We did it!
Amazing when we read instructions.
We got it open! I think the top is what gets hot. Yeah, see there's a little steamy icon on it. It's like... So I think the top is what gets hot. So everything right now is in Celsius. I think we need it in Fahrenheit. So I'm gonna close this. Oh, look, it just stays closed now. Okay. Just, dang it! Oh, wait, no, it has a timer on it. So once the timer goes off, then you can open it. Because there's like a timer here. Okay, so you can see on the screen here, everything is in Celsius right now. So I'm going to go to settings, and I'm going to see if I can change it. See, parameters. No, that's not it. Temperature. Oh, here we go. Fahrenheit. There we go. So now I'm going to do Fahrenheit. And now... there we go. Everything's in Fahrenheit. So now, and then down here you have a timer, so you can put in how long you want it to press. That's cool. And then when you push down on the handle, it's going to stay locked for that many seconds, and then after that time, it'll unlock and you can open up your heat press again. So that's really cool. You can kind of set it and forget it. So I'm going to lay out this piece of fabric on the board here. Now I know that a lot of times too they'll use like a silicone pressing sheet over it. So like if you were doing vinyl, because you don't want the iron to touch the vinyl. So we're gonna have to, I don't think this came with that, so we'll have to look into that. So here, I'm just gonna lay out this piece of fabric here. Oh dear, and then press it down. Now we wait 10 seconds. Ah, it's done. No, it's not done. Now it's done. All right. Oh, it opens up on its own. It doesn't feel that warm. I don't think 122 is a good temperature for this. If you know what temperature the heat press should be, please leave a comment down below. Cotton, 380 degrees. We'll go 350, like you said. We'll do 350. Enter. All right, now we gotta wait for it to heat up because on the other side over here, it has the current temperature of 122 degrees, 122 degrees. I can't see it. 122 degrees Fahrenheit. So we're gonna let that heat up to 350, and then we're gonna press this piece of quilt cotton again. This quilt cotton's a little wrinkly, so it's a good thing to try it out on. Okay, guys, so I looked it up, and they have heat press Teflon sheets for heat press transfers. So I know I've seen a lot of people when they use their heat presses, they put their material on here, and then if they have like heat transfer vinyl or they have any sort of vinyl, anything that can melt really easily and you don't want it to actually touch the hot plate up here, they put a pressing cloth over it, and it's a Teflon pressing cloth. So that's just gonna protect your material while this is clamped on top of it. So this heat press heats from the top, does not heat from the bottom. I don't know if any of them heat from the bottom. It's not a true panini press then if it doesn't heat from the bottom. No. Okay, so we have the heat press heated up to 350 degrees. So, Mom.
That's a lot better.
Put it in there.
Without getting burned?
Yes, don't get burned. Don't touch it.
Right side up?
I don't think it matters. But just the fabric. We're not doing anything. Okay, now push it down. Let it lock. Boom! So this is like a super magnet right here, apparently. This is like a crazy magnet.
Did you read the instructions?
No. But when it said remove the screw from the magnet, I assumed this is the magnet. Oh, there it goes! Alright. Try it again. Bam! I feel like this should be what's on the screen. A little dancing video of us while it's waiting. Alright. Put the fabric on top of the interfacing, but make sure none of the interfacing, I guess we could do it, yeah, like that.
Yeah.
So we have the interfacing, it's just like a woven interfacing, and it's on there, and the glue side is down against the fabric. It is not up. We don't want it stuck to the heat press. Okay, 20 seconds, I guess so. Let's try it. Let's see what it does. When in doubt, push buttons and twist knobs.
That's right.
That's what you do.
Or take a hammer to it.
I should take a hammer to it, I know. Don't take a hammer to your Ricoma heat press. It's not advised. Say, woo! God.
Okay, it
Did it fuse it?
Yeah.
Check it.
Yeah, it looks nice.
Pull out the corners. Does it seem fused?
Yeah.
Let me see.
Yeah.
I don't know about this. Let me see this. Ah, yeah, it actually fused it really well. Well, that's cool.
So that was 20 seconds.
Yeah, it's 20 seconds. And it fused it really, really nicely. So this works really, really well at interfacing things. I think when it comes to fabric and like ironing out all the wrinkles, you really need the steam. You know what I mean? Like I use steam when I'm ironing it out. Do you steam?
Yeah, but I think it's gonna work really, really well when we know what we're doing.
So this is much, I would say it's definitely faster to use a heat press to interface your fabric than it is to iron it, because an iron is just, you know, yay big, and you have to kind of hold it in each section over and over again, and if you don't get the edges, then the edges pull up and the corners pull up. So this was great. You could just put a bunch of interfacing on your fabric, drape it over here, push down the heat press, and just go section by section, just a few seconds at a time. While it's heating up, you can move somewhere else. I was going to show you guys how to use it with heat transfer vinyl, but I don't have any heat transfer vinyl over here, so we're going to have to save that for another day. What are we doing now?
I'm just having fun.
Heat it up! Heat it up! Heat it up! I know, what else can we do? I mean, we got heat transfer vinyl we can do. We'll do that with some embroidery tutorials. That'll be fun. We've got... It gets louder every time.
It pops.
So I think that this would save a lot of time if you're interfacing a lot of material. So in bag making, for example, I like to use waterproof canvas all the time because I don't have to interface waterproof canvas. So like waterproof canvas, get over here.
What?
I'm talking to you.
Oh,
waterproof,
no.
kind of, yeah.
I didn't want to steal you thunder.
So waterproof canvas and vinyl, those are two things I use all the time because I do not like spending the time to interface quilt cotton. But with this, I think that would save a lot of time. I don't know. Would you, like, if you were using this to make snack bags, would you cut out all the pieces and interface them separately, or would you just cut out a big piece of fabric and interface
I like
it?
to cut out pieces and separately. I know you told me to do the big piece.
Yeah.
But it just never stuck together very well. Because by the time when I cut it, it would start peeling.
But I wonder if we use this, if that wouldn't be a problem.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Because you could just do a big piece of fabric, and it fuses it so well that then you could cut it out. Yeah, I think that would be cool.
Yeah.
So we'll have to try that out. All right. Well, thank you so much to Ricoma for sending us this amazing heat press. We cannot wait to use it in more videos, to use it in more projects. I think it's going to be a huge time saver. I'm really excited about it. Are you excited about it?
I'm excited about it.
She's so excited about it. Thank you, Mom, so much for being my first guest in my video. I hope that you are having a great day. I hope you have a fantastic rest of the week. Get out there and make something. Bye, guys. Say
bye.
Bonus footage, bonus footage. Look at this. Look at that. This moves. That is so handy. So that way you don't have to worry about getting your little fingers all burnt whenever you're trying to put stuff in and out, Mom. You don't have to get your fingers all burnt. You can just pull this out, put your material on, push it in, lock it down, bam. Nice.
See, if we read the instructions before we
Instructions are for wimps.